After 2 days of some relief, Delhi's air quality plunged into the very poor category yet again on Friday. While the Delhi government claims improvements have been made compared to previous winters, experts say that this is largely due to favorable weather conditions rather than policy interventions. The city's persistent pollution is being driven by low wind speeds, temperature inversions, and reduced atmospheric mixing height, all typical of winter months. Forecasts indicate that a western disturbance is likely to affect North India around 30th of December, bringing more moisture and shallow to moderate fog, which could turn into smog once again over Delhi. For more on this, we have Srishti Chaudhary with us. Srishti, thank you so much for joining us. Of course, we did see some respite over the past 1 or 2 days. Then again, we are engulfed once again by this toxic haze. While Minister Sirsa had earlier said that we are going to see relief soon, as has been pointed out by experts time and again that this is only a result of favorable weather and not actually actionable steps or policy interventions.
Right, Haim. So over the last 2 days, the Delhi's air quality, the AQI fell to about 250, 230, which is in the which is the poor category, a drastic improvement from the severe air quality that the national capital was breathing for a really long period of time. Now, see, we are here at Akshardham flyover, and as you can see behind me, there is still now a bit of haze in the air. The visibility is now reducing because the AQI is steadily rising. Now, what we are trying to tell you is that it's a lot because of the weather conditions. Now, as you can see, there is slight amount of wind blowing. Wind speed less than 10 km per hour is unfavorable for the weather conditions, but now there is a decent amount of speed, which is basically leading to dispersion of the pollutants in the air. Now, this is the major reason why there was a sudden improvement in the air quality for the last 2 days, when the wind speeds had really picked up and led to the dispersion of the pollutants. Now, according to the latest forecast of the weather department and that of the IITM Institute in Pune, the weather conditions are now turning unfavorable because, like you said, there's a western disturbance which is going to impact northwest India around 30th of December. Now, when a western disturbance impacts, it leads to more moisture in the air, the wind speeds drop, and then again what happens is that this entire fog actually turns into smog. For the next few days, there is a forecast for dense foggy conditions in entire northwest India. In Delhi, we can see a slight amount of shallow to moderate fog, which then combines with the high amount of pollution in the air to form what is known as smog. So over the next few days, especially closer to New Year, the air quality in the national capital can again plunge to very poor to severe category depending on the wind speeds. Now, the wind speeds are about 8 km per hour, but if they drop to less than 5 km per hour, we can see another smog episode in the coming few days. So this is what experts have been highlighting time and again, that the national capital actually breathes at the mercy of weather. Now, the Delhi government continues to highlight that there have been certain improvements, but a lot of the credit has to go to the weather conditions here.
Absolutely, Srishti. Thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. Now, completely unfortunate that AQI and the poor category here in Delhi is considered a breath of fresh air.